So I just got back from visiting my sister a couple of hours ago. I was visiting for the long weekend. It was such a nice break from being in the city. I still have a couple of days off work. And of course, coming back from a trip means I have like no groceries. So I need to get some groceries today. I'm super excited to just enjoy the day and get a couple of things done. Yeah, back from my grocery run, I had to stop at the library first. This is one that I've been wanting to read. It's called Expiration Dates by Rebecca Surley. And yeah, so I picked this up from my local library. I'm really excited to get into it. I'm currently making my way through 2 other books right now. I'm just kind of like finding my groove on like what kind of books that I like. And yeah, I really enjoy fiction because it's just a nice escape from reality. I'm really into books right now. My library card is getting a lot of use. That's another thing. I have been predominantly getting my books from the library, which I find to be great. They have so many books and I just love to browse the website and see like what's new, what's interesting, what's popular. So I love the library. My hope in sharing this vlog, and hopefully similar vlogs like this in the future, is to just show the normalcy of my life. I think that for me, it was really difficult to come to a point where I was just accepting of my life, and that of course there are going to be quiet moments, slow moments in our lives, and that's totally okay. I think that social media tends to tell us that we need to be living a certain type of life, and that if we're not, there's something wrong with us, and that we constantly need to be striving to get to this sort of aspirational level of living. And to be honest, I think that that is just, quite frankly, unattainable for a lot of people, and it can lead to missing out on the great things that we already have in our lives. So I really just wanted to share this vlog, and I am really enjoying creating this type of content, and I hope to create more of it. I think it's just a way for me to help myself accept that my life is totally normal and it's okay to do simple things in life. I also think it's great to want to strive for more in life and to want more for ourselves, but the thing for me is to really not lose sight of what I already have and all of the amazing things that I have to be grateful for every day. So if all of that resonates with you, then you've come to the right place. So today is Saturday and My plans for the day are number one, to make some pancakes. I'm really in the mood for pancakes, so I'm gonna make some from scratch this morning. And then at lunchtime I'm going for a walk with my friend, and after that I'm thinking to tackle my hair. I really want to take these twists down, and I'm gonna probably wash my hair today, hopefully. Let's see if I can stick to that. I also woke up really early this morning and finished my book. Last night I was like determined to get through this book. It's called Party of Two by Jasmine Guillory. I hope I pronounced her name right. It was at the point in the book, I think I had like 30 or 40 pages left, and it was finally getting to like the climax, like all of the good stuff, the exciting part was happening, and I was like, oh my gosh. But I got tired and I couldn't finish it all last night, so I ended up waking up at like 6, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna finish the book. And I finished it this morning, and the ending had a lot of ups and downs. I felt like overall it was a pretty good read. Might even try some of her other books. I thought it was like a nice light read, a little bit of romance, all the good stuff. If you're enjoying this vlog, go ahead and leave a comment, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So I finally sat down to do my hair. I've kind of been procrastinating on this for the whole day because I don't know, my energy has just been a little low. I wanted to take a nap, but then I couldn't really fall asleep, so I was like, all right, let me at least try to start my hair. So here we are, and yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of water, just spraying down my hair with some water, and then applying some olive oil, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. My approach to hair care has changed so much over the past year. Like, my focus right now is very much still on length retention, which is why I prefer to wear my hair in twists, because it's just so much easier than any other hairstyle for me personally. I feel really comfortable wearing them. I just feel like they work really well for me, for my lifestyle. This is like primarily the main way that I wear my hair these days. It's just in twists. I love them, and yeah, I just feel like they help me to retain length really, really well. And I plan on washing my hair with these twists in, which is something that I typically do. I didn't do it the last time I washed my hair. I actually like took my twists out completely, which was extremely stressful for me. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what it was. I think it was like after I had to like sit down and do my hair, and I realized that I have a lot of hair, and it got very tiring for me to do it. It's like washing my hair in twists, it just creates like so much more convenience and takes the stress out, because like my parts are already done. I don't really do a lot to my hair these days. I just wash it regularly as I can, at least once every week or once every 2 weeks. Shampoo, deep conditioner, trimming. Oh my gosh, trimming has been so essential for me when it comes to retaining length, because those dead ends or split ends can really create setbacks. I'm not gonna trim this time because I trimmed my hair recently, and yeah, I feel like I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna end this video here and get on with the rest of my hair care routine.